This tutorial will tell you about screenshots and how to take them on your Mac. Sometimes you need to do a full screen screenshot. So to do that, you hold down the buttons Shift, Command, and 3. You'll hear that little camera sound, and you'll notice that the screenshot is placed down here on the desktop. You can find always your screenshots on the desktop, and it's named with the date and time that you took it. Sometimes you don't want the whole page, you want a more specific screenshot. For that one, you need to hold down Shift, Command, and 4. So I'll do that over here so you can see. Watch my cursor. Shift, Command, 4, and it changes into some little crosshairs. You need to click and drag over the selection that you would like. When you let go, it will take that screenshot. So you can see both of those screenshots have appeared down here. Another way to find them is in the Finder. So if I go to Desktop, you can see screenshot is here and here.